Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Buildium for owner statements, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Buildium account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounting tab in the top menu. Select Owner Statements from the drop-down options. You will see the Generate Owner Statements page. Choose the property for which you want to generate statements. Select the date range for the statements you wish to generate. Next, specify the type of statement you want to create. You can choose from options like monthly, quarterly, or yearly. After making your selections, click on the Generate button. Buildium will now compile the statements based on your criteria. Once the process is complete, you will see a preview of the statements. Review the statements for accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, click on the Download button to save the statements. Alternatively, you can choose to email the statements directly to property owners. If you opt to email, enter the recipient's addresses and add any necessary notes. After ensuring all details are correct, click Send. Your owner statements are now successfully generated and sent. Always check back to ensure all sent statements have been delivered. For any issues, revisit the Help section for additional support. That's how you set up owner statements in Buildium easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.